You can access the Art Audit interface from the Submission page, the Art tab, or from within the PageMajik editor. The Art Audit interface has panels. The one on the left being the Preview pane and the one on the right being the Entry pane. The Preview pane has 3 distinct areas. A toolbar that displays options to crop, resize and annotate. A preview pane where the image is displayed. A selection pane that displays thumbnails of all images in the current chapter. At the right corner of this pane is a sort icon that allows sort of images by name, create date, modify date, and status. Primary data is a metadata tab, displaying information such as image description, image type, name of primary creator, DOI, title, section, and associated keywords. The next tab, Image Data, is a metadata tab displaying image file metadata such as resolution, length, width, orientation, and audit information such as created date and modified date. The Permission tab lists associated permissions such as who owns the asset, the terms of usage, and credit line. There are free text fields as well as options to include attachments where applicable. The Comments tab allows inclusion of free text comments to a particular image. This can be shared for review and revision until the image is approved. The commenter's name is recorded against the comment. The Accessibility tab can be used to enter or review alt text description for the selected image. The Version History tab displays all versions of the image, with a version number and date, and the name and role of the person who made the change.